Hey guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. If today happens to be your first time on this channel, please subscribe. Press on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new content. Don't be heartless. Don't enjoy this video alone. This is a money making video. Share so that your friends and family can also get the benefit of this video. So without wasting much time, let's dive right in. Welcome back once again. Are you a savvy Adsterra user who has been harnessing the power of direct link to turn your traffic into tangible revenue? Well, congratulations are in order, because we are about to unlock the secrets to maximizing your earnings. This video is specifically designed with your needs in mind, providing actionable tips and expert insights to help you optimize your direct link strategy and take your monetization game to new heights. So, if you are ready to superchange your Adsterra experience and unlock the full potential of your traffic, then you are in the right place. Buckle up, let's dive in. It's a common conundrum. Many Adsterra users are successfully driving significant traffic, like 5,000 plus visitors and counting, through their direct links. Yet, they are struggling to translate this impressive volume into meaningful earnings. Despite their best efforts, their revenue remains elusive, leaving them wondering what's missing from their monetization strategy. If you are among this group, you are not alone. Today, we will explore the reasons behind this disconnect and share proven tactics to help you bridge the gap between traffic and revenue, ensuring that your hard-earned traffic generates the income it deserves. As we all know, there are a lot of factors that affect CPM, and some of them are user management. User management comes both from your audience activity on your website and from their reaction to the advertising. That is one. Conversions. You might be wondering what conversions are. Conversions are an action, or conversion is an action that's counted when someone interacts with your ad or free product listing. This can affect your CPM. Geo and seasonality. Geographical area and seasonality can also affect your CPM. Your current competition for your traffic can also affect your CPM. Traffic type or targeting options can also affect your CPM. And finally, your past performance. These are some of the factors that can affect your CPM. As you can see, my traffic volume is very low, but yet I still earn tangible revenue. This is the result of the simple trick I'm about to teach you today. It's simple but very effective. Don't take it for granted. I had 465 impressions and my CPM was 81.472 and the revenue was $37. Here, the traffic or the impressions was only 329, yet I earned $21. And also I had $74 here. That was on the 12th of May. I had $74 with just 262 impressions. Is that not amazing? See the CPM. The CPM is $283, and here too I had 166. I had 166 impressions with $169 CPM and $28 revenue. Low traffic, high CPM, then tangible revenue. Is this not amazing? Don't take this trick for granted. Don't take this trick for granted. It's very simple but effective. It's simple but very effective. Do this if you want to increase your revenue. Do this if you want to earn a tangible amount. Do this if you want to increase your chance of getting a tangible revenue. Do this if you want to earn more money. Do this if you want to increase your CPM. This is simple but very effective. So I created this account not long ago. So I wanted to earn more money. I wanted to get a high CPM. I wanted to get a tangible revenue. So I did this trick. I did it last 2 weeks. I did it about 2 weeks ago, and hopefully next month I'll get the result. I'll start seeing the results. I've known this trick, or I started using this trick. It's a simple trick but very effective, so don't take it for granted. I started doing this since last year. So in my main account, I've been earning a huge money, as I showed you earlier. I've been earning a huge money, like $20, $30 daily, which is very good. Yeah, which is not bad at all. So this is my new account. So this is what you do. On your Adsterra dashboard, you will see a messenger button. You will see a messenger button on your dashboard. So tap on it and start testing them. You can start by saying hello. The bot will start suggesting some articles for you, but just ignore and tap on talk to person. So they will reply you within an hour or maybe more. It depends. So when they reply, I told them I want them to optimize my account for better offers to increase my CPM. They were like, could you please specify the source of your traffic? I told them Facebook, because that's my source of traffic. I create Facebook pages and I use the pages to monetize, or I use the pages to generate traffic. So if you want to know how to, or if you want to learn how to build Facebook pages, I'll leave my number under this video's description. You can contact me so that I'll add you to my page builders group. I'll add you to my page builders group. So I told them Facebook, they didn't reply early, so they sent me some apologies. And I was like, okay. So they were like, please consider blah 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 blah, but this is not necessary. So I told them my traffic was 1,000 plus yesterday with $2 CPM, which is not encouraging. So you see, they try to tell me to create engaging content, blah blah blah. So I ignored and I told them, okay, I'll do that. So I told them, do you mind also optimize my account whilst I bring more traffic? So they told me this, please know that optimization means that only the most high paying campaigns will be attached to your ads, but they will be shown to a limited group of users who are targeted for such campaigns. In other words, your impressions will drop and CPM will grow. Would you like that? I like where the conversation is going. You'll see, they will optimize the account for you, but on one condition: your CPM will grow. Your CPM on one condition: your impressions will drop and CPM will grow, which will result in a high amount or a tangible revenue. So I told them yes. So this is what they do. They will make your offers available for only, or they will allow only people with high CPM, or people with people with, or people who will give you high revenue to click on it. So let's say if somebody is in Africa, more times people in Africa have, or people in Africa always have a low CPM. So if somebody is in Africa and the person tries to tap on the link, they will not allow the person. You understand? So they will only allow people with good offers. They will only allow people who will give you high CPM. You understand? So I told them yes. So they did it for me. Within some few minutes, it was like, damn, please give it a couple of days. So the changes took their full action. So I was like, thank you. So that's it. You understand? That's all. You understand? That's it. That's the trick. It's simple but very effective. Don't take it for granted. Don't take it for granted. If you want to earn like this, try this. And also, if you don't have much traffic, you can contact me so that I will add you to my page builders group, so that you can learn how to build a Facebook page and use Adsterra direct link to monetize it and make more money. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumb up. Don't forget to comment, share, so that your friends and family can also get the benefit. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.